So what do you say? Extraembryonic membranes. You have a test next week. You have taken module exams. I have already repeated some of what you ought to know. And go back. What are the three germ layers? Do you know
The
answer?
mesoderm and the
In correct order, meso would be in the middle. So
ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm.
or endoderm, mesoderm, ectoderm. Very good. Now how about extraembryonic membranes? Where do they develop from? Let's go to that.
Blastocell.
Trophoblast layer.
Oh.
Right? Trophoblast, the thin layer of cells. Not the mass, but the thin layer of cells in blastula. That's trophoblast. Trophoblast develops into extraembryonic membranes. What are those? You have your books open, your figures labeled, and so on. What are the two extraembryonic membranes? And there are only two of them. Because I see some of the figures are labeled already in the lab manual too. Yes, amnion and chorion, thank you. Those are only two extraembryonic membranes. Amnion is the one which is closer to the fetus, that means inner of the two. Chorion is the outer one, therefore closer to the maternal uterine wall. Two extraembryonic membranes. Amnion develops and becomes larger to encase a space called amniotic cavity. And that amniotic cavity gets filled with the fluid called amniotic fluid. So as time passes, there is larger amniotic cavity and there is more of the amniotic fluid in which the fetus will float around during gestational times. And then chorion, the outer of the two, the one closer to the mother, will develop into placenta and part of the umbilical cord. Placenta and umbilical cord. I have a model of the placenta here. Pretty close to being real size. Placenta. This side of the placenta is embedded in the uterine wall. This side of the placenta is toward the fetus. This is the umbilical cord. And how do I know this is the side toward the mother? Because this is the side where umbilical cord is attached. So umbilical cord. Check this one.